welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make my version of chicken salad. This chicken salad is extra creamy, so if you like that type of chicken salad, you'll really like this recipe. First off, I always use bone-in chicken breasts, and I boil them in a Dutch oven on my stove, covered in water for about an hour. If you don't have that kind of time and you're going to be going off to work for the day, you can always put your chicken breast in your crock pot on low. Make sure you cover that with water and it'll be good and done by the time you get home. But either method works great with this chicken. Once it's done, you're going to want to cool it down and then you're going to want to take it off the bone. And that's what I've done. So I'm going to go over what ingredients that I actually put in this. First off, you're going to take about 1.5 to 2 cups of your chicken. You're going to have 2 boiled eggs. You have 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, half of a small onion, which is an optional ingredient. Not everybody likes onion in their chicken salad. I happen to do so we use it, and then salt and pepper to taste. So what I'm going to do next is I actually use my food processor to run my chicken and my egg and my onion through. And I'm going to show you how I do that next. Okay, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and put our 3 ingredients through our food processor on the shredded side. That way it gets up real creamy. So I'll start with the chicken. Alternate the ingredients. All right, put the rest of the chicken in, and we'll have 1 more egg. Let's get that in. Here's the rest. All right. And our last egg. All right, now that we've got all this through the processor, I'm gonna take you back over and mix the other ingredients in it. All right, y'all, as you can see, I've taken the chicken and the egg and the onion out of my food processor, and it's all chopped up really fine. So now we're gonna add in our other ingredients. We're gonna take our 1 tablespoon of our lemon juice and just kind of drizzle that over the top. And then our 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. You wanna stir that in. And then our 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. Now on this, you may need to add a little bit more depending on how much mayonnaise you like in your chicken salad. I like mine extra creamy. So once we get this stirred up, I'll see if we need to add a little more. And then this is a great, easy summertime or all year round chicken salad recipe. In the evenings, if you just want a light meal, you can always put it over a bed of lettuce, or you can put it in a tomato. If you cut out the inside of a tomato and stuff it with the chicken salad, it's extra good. You can eat it on crackers, or you can just make a good old sandwich, depending on what you prefer. My husband and I both like it on sandwiches. I like mine with lettuce and tomato. He just likes his with just extra chicken salad. But anyway, let's add in a little bit more mayonnaise. I want dry chicken salad. And then we're going to top it off with our salt and pepper. And then you have a nice creamy chicken salad. Now, if you like fruit, you could always add in some chopped up apples or some grapes. Makes it good as well. If you like a creamy chicken salad, I think you'll really like this one on a sandwich. On any way, it's delicious. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you'll use it. Hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel and look at all my other delicious recipes. I try to make things simple and easy. If you're a working person and you need to cook a meal that's hearty and simple, check out my other recipes. Thanks for watching, everyone.